Good morning, everyone. It's another beautiful day at Ladyfingers Sewing in the beautiful Ole Valley. We have lots and lots of things to share with you today. First off, I'm not going to unbox all of these for you because just look at the volume here. This is mostly our latest shipment of Dimples fabric, which of course we carry all the dimples all the time. So we got them from Andover just last night, so I'm going to be very busy today to get those orders in because we're fully locked and loaded with a great new variety of dimples. Now, over here we got in a shipment from Free Spirit. I think it's Tim Holtz. I'm not 100% sure, so we're going to find out. Okay, so let's go. Box number 1. Oh yeah, it's Tim Holtz, all right. This is the new collection, and it is called, what is it called, Gail? It is Cobwebs. So this is Regions Beyond, I think what it is what it's called. So that's a great background fabric. This is kind of a Halloween group. Yeah, Regions Beyond it's called, and this is called Peculiar. If you're going to have Halloween, it might as well be Tim Holtz, right? So this one is called Halloween Multi. Super fun and kind of spooky, but absolutely positively Tim Holtz. So this is Crossbones. And a really great orange color. This is called Spellbound in orange. And finally, ooh, this will be fun to study. This is called Masquerade. Okay, on to box number 2. Okay, and finally, let's see. Okay, more Tim Holtz. And we do a lot of collage quilts, I know you do, and this is another one that makes a good background for that sort of thing. This one's called Undertaker. And we have, I just thought this was so fun. This is called Apothecary. It's for your poisonous quilts. Here's some science. So this is called Alchemy. And a really great dot. This is called Hocus Pocus. Good name. We loved him. He can do no wrong. Oh gosh, this will be gone in a minute too. This one is called Beloved. Very, very hip. I can't wait to see what you guys do with this stuff. This one is called Foreboding. Really cool plaid. And another plaid. So, this one is called Wicked. So come on over to Ladyfingers or check us out online at ladyfingersewing.com for this and much more. I'm ordering a lot of fabrics coming in almost daily, obviously. And I want to share with you the cool new t-shirt that Bill and I have been wearing. These are from Glick's Greenhouse. Beth Glick is a wonderful artist who did this rendition of Ole. And you can see some elements of the Ole Valley, and we're really proud to wear them. You can get yours at Glick's Greenhouse. Check them out. They have a Facebook page. They're right around the corner from us. So shout out to Glick's Greenhouse. They're very, very busy right now too. That's all for now.